Shut the door. Shut up! Oh my God! I can't!
Eastern Noble County in north central Illinois until 2 o'clock a.m.
How do you turn that off?
1:14 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Oregon to Franklin Grove, 28 miles east of Walnut, and moving east to 45 miles.
Oh my!
That didn't
Turn
even
that off!
That needs to go off now.
Wind gusts.
Turn it off.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This storm has a history of producing wind damage. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Mendota, Chabanock, DeKalb, Genoa, Sycamore, Sandwich, Serena, Hillcrest, Malta, Kirkland, Oakville, Waterman, Kingston, Leland, Cortland, Hinckley, Somonauk, and Sheridan. Other locations affected: Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.